Hello YouTube. So today my washing machine decided to quit, and it just would not power on at all. You keep pressing this button, nothing happens. So what I want to do is this will probably be a two-part video. So the first part is I want to just go over some of the basic diagnosis that I did to arrive at the most probable failed part. So obviously the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the power outlet, and you want to make sure that there is power coming out of the outlet. So I did check that, and so I unplugged it, and and then I used a just any kind of test light like this here. I plugged it in there, and so it lit up, meaning this thing. So that means the power outlet is good. There's power coming into the machine. So the next step is once you've done that, then you want to go ahead, still unplug it, and you want to do this test to see if the circuit board is okay or not. So how you test that is you just go ahead and press this power button for 5 to 6 seconds. Okay, you just keep it pressed for 5 to 6 seconds. Okay, and then you go to the play button, I guess you call it, or start button, and you press that for 5 seconds. Okay, and you press that 5 seconds, and once you've done that, then you plug it back in, and you do that, and now you go back to the power button, and you press it and see if it comes on. And if it does, what that means is you can probably use the washing machine for maybe maybe half an hour, but once you stop it, it won't come back on again, probably because you have a bad circuit board. So this probably could be kind of a temporary fix, but long term, if you have a bad circuit board, you need to get it replaced, and that's going to be a major repair. But that's not the problem that I have. As you can see, my machine would not turn back on. So what that means is it's probably another major component. It's actually a much cheaper component, but it's a major component that has failed. It's called a noise filter. So so now what you got to do is you're going to have to remove this top lid right here. This lid is going to have to come off. Okay, and so the first thing you need to do is go to the back of the machine, and if you go to the back of the machine, you're going to find these brackets. The back of the machine was there's two of them, one on the left side, okay, one on the right side, okay, and in the back. And you're going to have to undo these Phillips screws. Okay, so once you've done that, then now you're going to have to find a way to get the lid off. And this is probably where a lot of people get stuck, because it becomes kind of difficult for you to try and push it back and it won't go backwards. The trick to do it is you need to get a pry tool. Now I happen to have these pry tools when fixing my cars, but you can probably wrap some tape around a flathead screwdriver, and then you want to go here, okay, and you just go in there and pry. You see it's coming off, right? So now it's coming off, okay, and you just use the pry tool to keep prying it, okay, around and around, and you see it is coming off, right? So so you know, you just keep pushing it back, and you're gonna hear kind of a click, and when you hear the click, you can just kind of lift the thing off like that, okay? And so once you lift it off, and I'm gonna try to lift it off for you so you can see. Once you lift it off, you're gonna have you know, different components that are gonna be visible, and then, you know, that's when you start doing diagnosis. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to diagnose that noise filter that I was talking about. So hopefully that helps you, and God bless you, and I will talk to you soon. And if you like the video, please hit like and subscribe. Bye.